What is the difference of the terms basic and simple and advanced, or even VMS, when we're talking about inventory or warehouse in Business Central? Well, actually, there's no definition that reflects to a specific thing, so it's a matter of terminology, what we tend to use. Where I come from, we like to do like this. So this is the inventory, and I like to explain the differences, but before doing that, let's just take a quick look at the location card in Business Central. This is the location list, and if I enter a location, I can see here there's a lot of check marks saying require received, require shipment, require put away, require pick, etc., and especially directed put away and pick. All this different check mark make this location set up to be either basic or simple or advanced location for that specific warehouse. Let's look at the PowerPoint again. So what we would call an basic location is a location that only handles item ledger entries and no warehouse activities at all, meaning we are not building warehouse entries, we don't use bins, we only have one location, so it's not possible to see whether an item is placed on one bin or another. We do have a shelf number on the item card, but that's something different, it's just an information field. If we move on to what we call simple, this is one example of the combination of simple, meaning we have now introduced a purchase receipt and a sales shipment. This means that we are introducing warehouse documents, and in this scenario, this location could be for external use, maybe for an external warehouse, or it could just be the fact that we don't want the prices on the sales and purchase document to be seen by the warehouse people, so we would like to do warehouse handling documents. This is not a basic setup anymore, so it's a simple setup in one combination. We could also have other combinations, for instance, like this one. We don't have purchase receipt and sales shipments, but we do have picks and putaways and inventory activities, internal activities, and thereby also bins. So we are handling item per bin in the warehouse. And this is another example. In this example, we have set up to include purchase receipt, but not putaways, but we would like to have bin handling. So we have bin activities in the warehouse. And that's also a setup you can do. So you can make many different combinations of simple, and there's no limit to all the different combination of check marks. What we do call advanced is either when you set all the check marks, meaning you have all the warehouse activities, and especially if you set the check mark directed put away and pick, which controls all your warehouse activity very rigidly. And this is what we call advanced warehouse setting. So this is the difference between basic and simple and advanced warehouse.